as the Wren Bridge due to it being designed by Sir Christopher Wren also. And just ahead of us, definitely the more famous of the two, the Bridge of Sighs. This is actually named after the original built in Venice, in Italy. And the Venetian bridge connects a prison with an execution. The prisoners in Venice cross inside before being executed on the other side. Now here in Cambridge, this is the Bridge of Sighs because it not only slightly resembles the original, but really due to the fact that here students cross from their dormitories on my left. They walk over the bridge to this side before they enter their exams. Right.